we go. Okay,
All right.
we're in Excel now.
Yep.
So to get Solver for a Mac, if they scroll all the way up to the top, so not the top in Excel, but the top where they can see Excel file edit.
Uh-huh.
And then if you click the drop down on tools, that's where they find Excel add-ins on a Mac.
Okay.
So tools, Excel add-ins, and then right there, they can just click the Solver add-in.
Huh, okay.
Yeah. So,
Because
yeah.
because when they did add-ins on ours, they ended up with all these weird other add-ins. So it must be a different place. So okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then I actually had a student, and I don't know how he did it, but he just clicked over here under the data ribbon and he was able to add it there.
Oh, okay.
But since I already have it, I don't know how oh, maybe he clicked analysis tools. Oh yeah, that's how he did it.
Oh, okay.
So if they just go up to the data ribbon
Yeah.
and go to analysis tools, it's also right there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So that's easy. One of the things I think is actually easier in a Mac.
Yeah.
And then to run the model, so let me open up Solver. This is where, oh yeah, and of course it gets angry. Oh.
You can have all kinds of stuff there.
Yeah. Let me, hold on, sorry.
Oh, no worries.
I don't know why it likes to minimize the screen when I do that. Let's make that bigger again. Okay, so if we go to Solver, it still does that.
Yeah.
But can you see my Solver arguments here?
Yep.
Okay, so I did this on a PC and we'll run it and we'll see that it does not work. So let me just fix my objective function here. And everything else is the way it's supposed to be. So if I solve this right now, maybe it worked because it was just in the background. But typically what happens is on a Mac, on a PC, you know how you can add all the parameters right there in like one step? It doesn't work on a Mac when you do that. So you just have to add those individually. So I always have my Mac students just go in, and it's kind of a pain, right? But I have them do each one of those one at a time. And when they do that, I've not had a problem with my Mac students on that.
Huh. So you just can't say that whole column and another whole column then.
Right. Yeah. They have to be added individually.
Okay.
And I don't even know if it works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. I just remember that like it didn't work on some students.
Yeah.
So I'm like, if you have a Mac, you just have to add those individually.
Okay.
And that, when we did that, at least doing the Simplex method with my students, that was like, it was no longer an issue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So those are the only two tricks, and hopefully that works. But if it
Okay.
doesn't, you should let me know because that would be good.